Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. My first video with the Razorine or Razorine razor was about 18 minutes long. Well, you may not want to sit through 18 minutes to see how a razor shaves. So I thought I'd make an abbreviated version, and what I'll do this time, I'll shave with the grain, and then across the grain, and then against the grain. So you can follow along, stop anywhere you want along the way, and just see how I do it, and then you can improvise and improve upon that if you feel the need to do so. Whatever feels most comfortable to you, that's what you want to do. Last time I shaved with the gold version. This time I'll shave with the chrome version. And if you want to pick these up, ShaveNation.com. That's where you can get it. The Razorine, the special thing about it, I think, is that number one, you can practice without the blade. Practice without the blade once or twice, and then when you feel you have it down, insert the blade and get your shave on. It uses any standard double-edged blade. Insert the blade, you're good to go. And you can shave with both sides of the razor. Not like a standard shavette where you can only shave with one side and you need to rinse right away. You can shave with both sides. The other thing is, it's an excellent precursor to shaving with a straight razor like this. The angle and the motion is pretty much the same. So once you get a few shaves in with the Razorine, you're much more prepared to shave with a straight razor. As I said, this time I'll use the chrome version, and we'll see if we can get the shave done in about 5 minutes. I already have a Gillette Silver Blue blade in this razor, and that's what I'll be using today. I'm going to warm up my face real quick. We'll get right to the shave. I'll be using Perazzo shaving soap in the green tub, which is right here. I've already got my lather kind of mixed up, so I'll start applying. This has a nice eucalyptus menthol scent to it. Very easy to build lather with this shaving soap. Figure 8 method, smooth everything out. Clear the runways so we can see those sideburns. And just warm up the razor under the hot water, just to temper it. When you shave with this razor, always with the thumb screw facing out, like that. To cut the sideburn, hold it down at the end so you can see. Otherwise, if you hold it here, you can't see through your hand to cut your sideburn. So start off with it at the end like this. Cut your sideburn nice and easy. And then you can choke up on it, like so. Oh, very nice. Seems like this Gillette Silver Blue, nice pairing for this razor. With the grain, we'll go all the way down, neckline. And rinse that off. You can see that stubble. Now the other side. Again, hold it at the end, cut that sideburn, and then choke out. Down the neckline. As you saw, left hand on the left side, right hand on the right side. Now the mustache area, scoop right under. And the other way. Better than a standard shavette because you can shave with both sides. See that? Now just a quick rinse. You don't need to remove everything because you're going to re-lather. So leave some residual slickness there from the previous pass. Clear the runways. On the neck, I'll go against the grain. Just holding it like a Kamisori style razor, Japanese style. Right hand on the left side. Left hand on the right side. See, you don't even have to rinse. You can do both sides of the blade. Now we'll go across the grain, starting at the mustache. Cross this way, left hand now, left side. Clean up the chin. The cleft. Excellent. Another slight rinse. And now I'll just relather up on the cheeks here. I've already gone against the grain on my neck, so I'll just go against on my cheeks here. And this is what will get you really smooth. Right hand on the left side. Excellent. Left hand on the right side. You can stretch the skin if you need to. I stretch by just bringing my chin down. That's it. A final rinse with hot and then cold water. Of course, you can stop anywhere along the way. After the first pass, second pass, if you feel that you're clean enough, you can stop. But now I'm super smooth. That third pass with the Razorine really gets you close. So I'll use my Shave Nation wide stick Allen block. Just wet it under the cold water. It's an excellent finish to the shave right here. And just glide it all around the areas you've shaved. Might get a little bit of stinging. I'll give you some feedback on your shave. Let that soak into your skin for about 30 seconds and then rinse that off. And just pat the face dry. Sticking with the Purazo, I'll go with the Aloe and Vitamin E. This is one of my favorite aftershave balms. It's got a nice cooling effect when it goes on and leaves nice protection throughout the day. Just massage that in. Here's a final look. Razorine or Razorine from Italy. You can pick these up at shavenation.com. Comes in raw brass, which is gold, or polished chrome, which is silver. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.